Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and selecting the video you want to subtitle. This puts you right into the workflow. Once the video is selected, set the video language and enable automatic captions if YouTube offers them, because that gives you a draft to edit. Next, go to Subtitles, choose Add Language, and pick Create New Subtitles or Upload File. Doing this immediately creates an editable track, so you can begin timing and text corrections without delay. Once you have a subtitle track, focus on precise timing and readable text. This makes captions actually useful. Use the editor controls, play, pause, and drag time handles to align each caption to the spoken phrase and make sure line breaks occur at natural pauses. Then edit wording for punctuation, speaker labels, and keyword preservation so viewers and search algorithms understand the content. If you have a transcript, either upload an SRT/CSV or paste the transcript and choose AutoSync to speed up the process while maintaining accuracy. To finish, watch the entire video with captions on at normal speed and tweak any overlaps or captions that read too fast. Natural pacing is critical for comprehension. Once satisfied, click Publish and consider adding translated tracks or enabling community contributions to broaden reach. If the captions are out of sync or missing lines, reopen the editor, correct timestamps manually or export, and upload a fixed SRT, and then republish. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves most synchronization and formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.